Welcome to one of the most fun and unique hotels in Orlando, Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. With retro vibes, massive pools and early park admission, the big question is it actually worth staying here? Let's find out. From the moment you arrive, Cabana Bay stands out. The whole place is themed around a 1950s and 60s beach resort with bright colours, palm trees and a real throwback feel. It's huge, so be prepared to walk, but the space allows for some pretty impressive facilities. It feels like a resort rather than your average hotel. Standard rooms come with 2 queen-size beds, ample room space and plenty of storage. Right by the bed you have your plug sockets with USB ports. The bathroom has a decent shower and the basin is directly outside, so there's no issue with multiple people getting ready at the same time. The rooms are clean, modern and continue that retro theme. You've got 2 main options, standard rooms and family suites. The family suites are great if you're travelling in a group, with a small kitchenette, extra space and even sliding partitions for that extra privacy. The pull-out bed is known for being a little bit uncomfortable. As expected, all rooms come with a safe for your essentials, enough for a laptop, iPad, wallets, etc. Now, if you want decent swimming pools at a hotel, this is where Cabana Bay really shines. There are 2 massive pool areas. Also includes a lazy river. Yes, you heard it right, a lazy river. And that's at a premium value resort. With 0 entry access to the pool, this makes accessibility easy for all. Like to feel the sand between your toes? Then you're in luck here too. Both pool areas have poolside diners, so you won't have to go all the way to the main food hall for your food. Cabana Bay is rich with facilities. There's a bowling alley. You can book ahead or chance your luck to see if there's a space for you and your party. A large arcade is also on the same floor, with plenty for kids, young and old to enjoy. If you're looking to work off those holiday calories, Cabana Bay has an extensive gym, which includes cardio machines, free weights, a yoga area, and weight machines. Towels are also available here. One of the biggest advantages of staying here is the location. You're right next to Universal Orlando Resort, with free buses running constantly. You can even walk to the parks, which takes around about 15 to 20 minutes. Don't forget, one of these major perks is early park admission, which is a huge bonus if you want to beat the crowds at Epic Universe or Islands of Adventure. With Cabana Bay, you also have a hotel exclusive entrance to Universal's water park, Volcano Bay. When it comes to the food options, there's a large food court with a variety of choices, from burgers to pizza to healthier options. It's convenient and reasonably priced for a theme park resort. You can also pick up smaller essentials that you may want to keep in your room, like cereal and milk for an early start the next day. There's an easy-to-use self-serve yogurt machine. Resort mugs are also available, but you should really work out if you're going to get full value before purchasing one. Smaller items like snacks and chocolate are also available at the cashier area. Once you have purchased your food, find a seat in the retro-themed food hall, which will be playing 1950s commercials on the big screens. You'll also find your Coke Freestyle machine and condiments here. Added in the last couple of years is an ice cream parlour which is situated just behind the main food hall. Don't forget, there's also a Starbucks which can be incredibly busy first thing in the morning with people needing their coffee fix. The gift shop on resort is also extensive, as you can imagine. Cabana Bay resort items can also be purchased here. With the opening of Epic Universe, you will now find all your Nintendo merchandise. Don't worry, classic Universal merch is also available. For the Harry Potter fans staying, they have been catered for as well. Let's take a look at some of the pros for staying at Cabana Bay. Cabana Bay is a great value for a Universal hotel. It has amazing pool areas, early park admission, and don't forget that fun, unique theme. But what about the cons? It is a large resort, so there'll be plenty of walking. It can get busy during peak times, especially around the bus stop. Parking overnight can also be quite expensive. So, is Cabana Bay worth it? If you're looking for an affordable, fun and well-located hotel near the parks, it's a fantastic choice. It might not be luxury, but for the price, it offers a lot more than you'd expect. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe for more travel reviews and tips.